Most candidates struggle with this question, not because their machine learning project is weak, but because they explain it the wrong way. They either dive straight into algorithms, list tools without context, or get lost in technical details. In this video, I'll show you a simple, interview-ready framework to explain your machine learning project clearly, confidently, and in a way interviewers actually care about. When interviewers ask you to explain your machine learning project, they are not testing your coding skills. They are really trying to understand four things. Do you understand the problem you were solving? Can you explain complex work clearly? Do you make thoughtful technical decisions? And do you understand the impact of your work? They want to see how you think, not just what you built. To answer this question well, use this four-part structure. Step 1. The problem and context. Start by explaining the problem in plain language. What was the business or real-world problem, and why did it matter? For example, we were trying to predict customer churn so the business could proactively retain high-risk users. Step 2. Your approach and reasoning. Next, explain how you approach the problem. Not every detail, but your thinking. Why was machine learning appropriate? Why did you choose this type of model over others? This shows judgment, not memorization. Step 3. Key actions you took. Now briefly describe what you actually did. Data preparation, feature selection, model training, and evaluation. Keep this high level unless the interviewer asks you to go deeper. Step 4. Results and impact. Finally, explain the outcome. What improved? Accuracy, efficiency, decision-making? Interviewers care about results, not just process. Here's how a strong answer might sound. I worked on a machine learning project to predict customer churn for a subscription business. The goal was to identify high-risk users early so the team could intervene. I explored several approaches and chose a classification model because the outcome was binary and interpretability was important for stakeholders. I cleaned and engineered features from usage data, trained multiple models, and evaluated them using recall and precision to balance false positives and false negatives. The final model helped the business target retention campaigns more effectively and reduce churn by around 10% over the next quarter. Notice how this answer is clear, structured, and outcome-focused. Avoid these common mistakes. Listing tools without explaining why you use them, jumping straight into algorithms with no context, overloading your answer with technical jargon, forgetting to explain the impact. A clear, structured explanation always beats a highly technical one. If you want more interview tips like this, subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.